Welcome to ArtBeatForce. In this video, you will learn how to paint a simple and beautiful watercolor scenery step by step. Start with a clean sheet and a light water wash. Now take blue, yellow, and a touch of orange. Blend them softly to create a beautiful sky and flowing water stream. Pro tip: always work light to dark in watercolor. You can't undo dark shades easily. Next, grab black and gray tones. Shape your mountains with loose strokes. Don't overthink them. Add a mix of light gray and white to create soft, snowy slopes on top. Pro tip: leave some areas unpainted for natural highlights instead of adding too much white later. Now mix green with a little black to paint pine trees in the valley using quick upward strokes. Pro tip: use the tip of your brush for sharp tree edges. It instantly looks more realistic. Time to bring life to the water. Add gentle white strokes for reflections. Finish it off with grass around the stream using chrome yellow and green. Pro tip: keep your brush slightly dry for grass texture. It adds depth effortlessly. And that's it. A simple yet beautiful watercolor scenery. Follow ArtBeatForce for more easy art tutorials.